How does literary form reflected culture? Have you ever wondered how the way we write can tell us about who we are as a society? Literary form, which includes the structure and style of both poetry and prose, acts as a reflection of the culture from which it originates. It captures the values, beliefs, and histories of a community, shaping and being shaped by cultural identity. Poetry, in particular, serves as a powerful tool for cultural expression. Poets use rhythm, symbolism, and metaphor to convey complex emotions and ideas. For instance, when poets incorporate vernacular language and culturally specific symbols, they reveal unique experiences and heritage. This allows poetry to express collective memory and identity. Think about works that blend personal stories with communal histories. They reflected the cultural roots of a group. On the other hand, prose, especially narrative prose, provides a broader canvas to explore culture. Through characters, settings, and plots, prose writers depict the nuances of cultural life. They can illustrate struggles, traditions, and transformations within a society. This form invites readers to engage with diverse cultural perspectives, presenting relatable human experiences within specific cultural frameworks. When we look at literary form through the lens of formalism, we focus on the structure and style rather than the content or the author's intent. Formalists analyze how elements like grammar, syntax, and meter function within a text. While this approach tends to separate from cultural context, it acknowledges that how we perceive literary qualities is influenced by cultural and linguistic norms. For example, what is considered poetic language in one culture may be ordinary speech in another, showing that literary form is linked to cultural context through these changing norms. Recognizing how literary form reflects culture helps both readers and writers appreciate how language and structure carry cultural meaning. For poets and prose writers, using culturally resonant forms and stylistic choices can deepen the impact of their work. This makes literature a powerful tool for storytelling and affirming cultural identity. In essence, literary form reflects culture by embodying the linguistic patterns, symbolic meanings, and narrative structures that arise from a community's lived experiences. Poetry distills cultural identity into vivid imagery and sound, while prose expands on cultural narratives through detailed storytelling. Even when viewed through formalist analysis, the relationship between form and culture remains clear, as literary forms evolve alongside cultural changes.